Welcome to this video on building a native Android app using Android Studio, Kotlin, and Jetpack Compose. Jetpack Compose uses a declarative UI paradigm. You describe the state, and the system automatically builds and updates the screen. This means you do not have to move elements manually. To set up your environment, download and install Android Studio. Then, install the Android SDK and get the platform tools and emulator for testing. When initializing your canvas, select Empty Activity. For the minimum SDK, API 24 is recommended as it reaches 90% of active devices. Your app consists of manifests for app rules, Java or Kotlin for the app logic, res for assets like images and colors, and Gradle for the build system. With Jetpack Compose, pure Kotlin code replaces XML. A composable function creates a UI element, eliminating the need for separate XML files. The basic layouts include column, which stacks elements vertically, row, which arranges elements horizontally, and box, which layers elements on top. State management drives UI updates. When data changes, it triggers recomposition, and the UI redraws automatically. Tools like Remember and Mutable State OF are used to manage this state. To build the interface elements, we'll use Material 3 design tokens for components like text prompts, input fields, and the Submit button. To emulate the application, use the Android Virtual Device, or AVD. Open Device Manager, create a device like Pixel 8, select a system image, and click the Run icon. Live Edit lets you change code directly and see instant visual results, eliminating the need for a full rebuild. The vibe coding workflow involves 4 steps: prompting AI, defining the structure, implementing the logic, and finally, deploying the code to Android Studio and running the AVD.